everyone. Due to the recent coronavirus pandemic, the global economy has been struggling and numbers in stock market keeps going down. With this, many investors have huge losses with their shares and some are pulling out from investing their money. However, if you are not yet investing in the stock market but willing to do so, this is the right time for you to take one step forward to it. Why? It's because majority of value per share has dropped down in the stock market, and this means that you can invest your money and buy stocks on a cheaper price compared to the previous years. Ngunit, paano mo nga ba ito masisimulan? Una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang stocks? Ito ay ang pagkakaroon mo ng shares of ownership sa isang corporation na iyong gustong paglagyan ng investment. Maraming online stockbroker na ang emerging sa mga nagdaang panahon kung saan iyon ang nagiging tulay para ikaw ay makapag-invest sa mga kumpanyang listed under Philippine Stock Exchange o mas kilala sa acronyms nilang PSE. Ito ang National Stock Exchange sa ating bansa. Mayroong dalawang paraan sa pag-i-invest. Una rito ay ang short-term investment. Dito nangyayari ang pagkakaroon ng day trade. Maaari kang bumili ng stocks na iyong gusto at i-trade ito araw-araw. Kung ikaw ay nagsisimula pa lang, recommendable na pag-aralan mo mga technical analysis sa paggalaw ng stock market upang maiwasan ang pagkalugi o di kaya magkaroon ka ng quick gains. Pangalawa naman ay ang long-term investment. Dito ay mag-i-invest ka ng pera sa mga companies na sa tingin mo ay pangmatagalan. Kung sa madaling salita, parang pinapatulong mo ang iyong pera at depende sa takbo ng stock market kung ikaw ay magkakaroon ng gains or losses over time. Let's say 5 years to 10 or either 15 years and beyond. So, how can you make an account for this to be possible? In this video, we will discuss two online brokers. First is the First Metrosec. This is the stock brokerage company of the Metrobank Group. So before we proceed on creating an account to their website, I just want to highlight the requirements that you will be needing upon registration. You will need to provide your TIN number, valid ID, at kailangan mo itong kuhanan sa isang piraso ng white paper with your 3 specimen signatures na katulad as what is shown on your valid ID. Sumunod ay kailangan mo rin ng active email address, pati na rin ang proof of billing address, at panghuli ay ang iyong proof of bank account. Maaari mong i-search sa Google ang First Metrosec o di kaya na may dumiretso sa kanilang website via firstmetrosec.ph. Upon landing sa kanilang homepage, you just need to click the Open Account. And after that, mayroon kang makikitang tatlong button for opening an account. Ang unang button ay para sa mga meron ng account sa Metrobank. Ang pangalawa naman ay for other bank depositor, meaning wala ka pang existing Metrobank account. So, you will be needing an additional verification ID with this, and it should be Philippine Driver's License or Professional Regulation Commission or PRC ID. O kaya naman ay pwede kang mag-on-site account opening. Ito ay magkakaroon ng personal appearance, either pwedeng mangyari sa mga seminars o kaya pumunta ka directly sa kanilang office. As you can see, you need to provide your personal information, then complete their form, and once done, you'll need to click the link that you will receive from your registered email to verify. Once verified, there will be a link given to you where you'll need to upload documents na ating binanggit sa simula ng video. Once successful, i-review ito ng First Metrosec for approval within 2 to 3 business days, at once na ma-approve, maaari ka nang maka-access sa kanilang trading board so you can start investing. Pangalawang online broker naman ay ang COL Financial. Halos magkatulad lang din sila ng requirements ng First Metrosec. As you can see, you will also need the valid government ID and tax identification number or TIN ID for locally employed, self-employed, and foreign citizens. However, meron silang additional requirements. For non-resident foreign applications, kailangan lang ng passport. But for resident foreign applicants, passport at alien certificate of registration or work permit from DOLE ay kinakailangan. Kagaya kanina, maaari mo ring i-search sa Google or i-access directly ang kanilang website via colfinancial.com. Once landed sa homepage, just click the Open a COL account online. After that, hanapin at click ang sign up button. Here, you will see additional requirements for you to have a successful registration. Once you click the Get Started, maaari mong pasadahan ang kanilang trading agreement at maaari mo nang i-click ang kanilang Agree button. And after that, you'll be prompted to provide valuable amount of information. Kagaya sa First Metrosec, padadalhan kanila ng code sa phone number at email para ma-verify ito. Once done, you'll be prompted to choose what type of account you wish to register hanggang sa matapos ka mag-fill out. And of course, they will review for approval within few business days. As you can see, ito ang current account types na meron sa COL at makikita nyo ang minimum required investment para ma-activate ang inyong account. At dahil nga ito ay online, it's a good thing dahil pwede kayong mag-fund ng inyong account through online banking. And before we end this video, I'd just like to mention some few helpful tips. So before you invest, as a beginner, make sure that you research on the nature of stock market, paano to gumalaw, at paano ang mga technical analysis. And having said that, it's better to attend seminars and read lots of articles or videos regarding stock market. Lastly, huwag mahiyang magtanong ng mga personal questions mo sa trusted individuals around you, lalo na sa mga best practices nila, so that you can have a better judgment when it comes to investing. I hope you found enough basic information regarding stock market and how to invest on it. Just trust yourself and have confidence that you'll have a better future when you know how to handle your money. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng video ito at sana ay natulungan namin kayo.